Another step.
Another step. One
Another
more.
step, Chad. Oh, and then who's right here in front of me? Take another half step back to your right.
Chad, yeah,
There you go.
right, yeah.
Okay.
Right
The Ian's gonna hit last time, so we need to.
no, but you guys are further
Chad.
apart than
Over here. Who's this?
Nikolai.
Nikolai, step to your right.
Both of you step to your right.
And Ace,
Ace, step
step to your right. All right. And
J-Rock, half step to your right. Yeah, right there.
okay. Is that enough space for you guys? You feel comfortable?
That's how we rehearse it. That's even more than what we rehearse, guys.
They have big suits on now. Yeah. All right. Hold those places.
It's actually